Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and today what are we not going to get right is we are not going to stop talking to strangers. Strangers, yes. Mama said you do not to talk to the strangers. Who said you this? Who said you this? Do not talk to the strangers. Strangers are dangerous. Strangers can be risky. Strangers are not to be talked with. Strangers are not to be made friends with. Did you ever listen this in your life? From the very childhood, we all get to listen this. We all are said, do not get comfortable with strangers. Do not talk to these strangers. Do not do business with strangers. But do we realize who exactly gives us what we want? Who gives us what you want? Who gives your business the sale that you want? Who gives you the confidence that you want? Who gives you the money that you want? Anybody who knows you or the strangers? The first sale that I had in my life, the first penny that I earned in my life was from a stranger. The first business that you would do is most likely that it would be from the stranger. The first Facebook page like maybe that you would get would possibly be from a stranger. The first referral that you get would possibly be from a stranger. But still, we are so scared of transacting or talking to a stranger. Now, why is that? Why on earth should you not be talking to strangers? You only know a handful number of people, 5, 10, 12, 15, 20. Rest everybody is a stranger. And most of us are scared of connecting, talking to the strangers. Understand the kind of opportunity that we have with those strangers. Those so-called strangers. People whom we do not know. People who have no idea of who we are, neither do we have any idea of who they are. So basically, if we find out a way how to connect with those strangers, how to make a sale to that stranger, how to negotiate with that stranger, with any stranger be it for that sake, that is where you win. That is where you win. That is where you grow, because that is the untapped market that is waiting for you and for your business to grow. If you are able to connect with and contact with those strangers, that is where the money is. The maximum number of contacts that you make with those strangers, the maximum number of contracts you are going to make for your business, the maximum growth you are going to make for your life. And that is only possible when you connect, when you talk, when you make friendship with those strangers. Yes, you need to figure out a way, and you have to forget, you have to be, not be so scared or always feel so negative about those strangers. Or maybe we feel at times, how would he feel about me? Why should I talk to him? Why should I not talk to him? So there is a lack of trust when we are talking to strangers. But we forget the kind of opportunity that we have when we are talking to any stranger. Yes, there is a risk. But if you see the opportunities, if you see the amount of opportunity that you have when you connect to a stranger, when you talk to a stranger, that's very less. That's pretty less. The amount of risk, that's pretty less. You need not worry about that. You need not bother about that. There are high chances that you might get fooled at times. There are high chances that the stranger might con you, steal from you. But that would happen 1 out of 10 or maybe 1 out of 100. The remaining 9 or 99 or 999 times it will be a wonderful opportunity for you. It will be a wonderful opportunity for you. Yes, you should not forget that. If you failed 1 in 10 times, if you failed 1 in 100 times, the other 9 times, the other 99 times are going to be an excellent opportunity for you. You and that stranger is going to do extremely well. You are going to have a great business, a great possibility ahead. Your wife, did you know her before? She was a stranger, but you made her a life partner. Your husband, he was a stranger, but you made him your life partner, and he is the biggest asset that you have today. She is the biggest asset that you have today. That biggest asset was a stranger at some point of time. So how did you bring that person to your life? You do. Everybody does. So why do we shy away with others? Why do we shy away with others? And people do take divorces. People separate because that was not successful. So that's okay. Do people stop mixing up? Do people stop marrying? Do people stop getting spouses? Even though the previous one was not successful, or from somebody in the society was not successful with his marriage, you did not marry? Did that ever happen? No. So why do you want to believe or trust in the story of those strangers? Somebody had a bad experience with some stranger, and now you also want to believe that you might also have a bad experience with a stranger, and therefore you do not go out, do not connect, do not transact with a stranger. You wait for somebody to come to you and get you a sale. You are waiting for a stranger to come to you. You are not going to the stranger. You are not connecting to them. You are not talking to them. You are not mixing up with them. You are not doing anything to reach out to that stranger. You are waiting for the stranger to come to you and ask, can I buy your product? Now how many times is that going to happen? How many times is somebody going to come to your door and say, I want your product, I want to buy your product, I want to buy your service? How many times is that going to happen? I don't think that is going to happen a lot number of times. So stop listening to the one thing, that do not talk to the stranger. Mama said me, do not talk to the strangers. Do not listen to this. Always connect with the strangers. Always talk to the strangers and make your life successful. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.